Understanding Animation Reel, a guide for English language learners. Hello and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: the meaning and use of the phrase animation reel. Whether you're an aspiring animator, a film enthusiast, or just curious about English phrases, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind this term together. An animation reel is a short compilation of an animator's best work. It's like a highlight reel showcasing an artist's skills and creativity. Think of it as a mini portfolio in video format. Animation reels are crucial for animators seeking job opportunities, as they demonstrate their style, technique, and range of abilities. They are particularly important in industries like film, television, and video games. A typical animation reel includes 1. A variety of work, showing different styles and techniques. 2. Brief duration, usually around 1 to 2 minutes, focusing on quality over quantity. 3. Personal touch, often, animators include their own unique creations to stand out. 4. Contact information, ensuring viewers know how to reach the animator for potential opportunities. For animators, an animation reel is more than just a collection of work. It's a ticket to new opportunities. It's used to apply for jobs, showcasing skills to potential employers, gain freelance work, attracting clients for individual projects, enter educational programs, demonstrating ability for advanced study in animation, network with peers, sharing work within the animation community. Creating an impactful animation reel involves selecting your best work, focusing on quality pieces that showcase your skill range, keeping it concise, ensuring the reel is short yet impactful, tailoring it to your audience, understanding what potential employers or clients are looking for, updating regularly, keeping your reel fresh and relevant with your latest work. We hope this video has shed light on what an animation reel is and its importance in the animation industry. Whether you're a language learner, an aspiring animator, or just curious about the term, understanding this phrase can open doors to a world of creativity and opportunity. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.